This is the CORSAIR Frame 4000D, a mid-tower case that's all about customization and airflow. It's a modular case system, meaning you can swap out panels and upgrade the layout however you want. You get 3 ARGB fans, plus the infinite rail system lets you slide and mount fans exactly where you need them to be. This case also supports dual 360mm radiators, so cooling your system is never an issue. And it's built for reverse connection motherboards, making cable management super clean. Now, if you're looking for a bare bones version of this case or something simpler, the 4000D series has those options too. So what would your dream build look like in this case? Let me know.